Hey guys, just a note on digital marketing for those who are interested in knowing what it's about. So basically, it's a form of marketing that utilizes various digital channels to advertise to people. Um, it leverages platforms such as search engines, websites, social media, emails, and mobile applications. Basically offers marketers the opportunity to interact with and understand their audience better, increase trust, and show targeted advertisements based on users' actions and preferences on the internet. It is often more cost effective than traditional forms of advertising. So this is it's something that everybody is doing now when they're promoting their products or whatever they're selling. If you want to sell on the internet, you want to sell your products, you've got to be familiar with internet marketing. So there are various ways you can do this. I'm going to start off with the first one. It's called content marketing. So basically, it's about creating and sharing valuable content such as blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies to generate audience interest in a brand's products or services. The other one is called search engine optimization, called SEO. It's about optimizing a website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine results. This involves targeting specific search keywords and building credible backlinks to improve its visibility and attract organic traffic. So that's another way of doing it. It's quite common, search engine optimization. And then there's another one after that. Another alternative is pay per click. So this is another way to do it. What you can do is called pay per click, is called PPC. And it's basically driving traffic to a website through paid advertisements. Now, this is a very good way to do it, and it's quite successful compared to many other ways to use paid advertisement. So it includes text ads in search engine results, image ads, video ads, and more. So the other one is another way to do it is social media marketing. So this is utilizing social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to advertise a brand's content, products, or services. So marketers can engage with the audience, share compelling stories, and use various ad formats such as text, images, and videos. This is also very useful. It actually engages you with the potential buyer. So they may want to buy your product. They might have questions, so that's where you jump in and answer their questions. And then another one is called email marketing. That's sending targeted emails to nurture leads, assist potential customers in the buying process, and promote products or services to existing and potential customers. Okay, so that's another way to do it. It's email marketing. That's also quite commonly used. And another one, which is a very good, is called affiliate marketing, and that's partnering with, say like a third party website or websites or influencers to promote a brand or product to their audiences. So their audiences in exchange for a fee. So they pay you when you do this. It's typically based on sign-ups, conversions, registrations, subscriptions, etc., and so on and so on. So now, based on all of this, we had a chap called Joey who had an interest in digital marketing and set up a campaign for his uncle's e-commerce website, introducing various types of digital marketing to generate traffic and increase sales. But unfortunately, it didn't do very well. So he came to us. Obviously, we then brought him in and told him about what we can do to help. So basically, to enhance his knowledge and skills, basically Joey decided to pursue a digital marketing certification from one of our providers called MapPar, and uses Tube Mastery and monetization system. So this basically is a complete done for you internet marketing system, which helped Joey become an expert digital marketer and advance in his career. So these are, so there are plenty of Joeys out there who are struggling right now. So you need something that will help you, and that has already kind of been designed and practiced, and has worked and is working. And this is where our gentleman Matt Parr comes in to, who's designed this system. So yeah, do have a look at it. There's a link below. Just click on the link and just see what you think. Come to the training. It's a free training, and yeah, best of luck.